Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making this really pretty summer set. If you guys would like to see more, please continue watching. So to start off, I'm going to be taking this iGel Beauty color. It's called Teddy Bear. It's a really pretty nude base color. I use this color often for sets. It's one of my favorite nude base colors. So I just go ahead and put it all over the nails. For this set of nails, I will be going in with a second layer of gel polish. So you just want to go ahead and do an even layer to all the nails. Now we're going to jump right into the ombre. So to do that, I'm going to be taking this iGel Beauty gel polish in the color Aim to Please. It's a really pretty orange color, as you guys can see here. And in order to get that ombre effect, I do use a sponge, a beauty sponge. And I do pick these up at my local dollar store. And you could pretty much find these anywhere. You could find them in the Walmart beauty section or Dollar Tree or pretty much any store. I'm pretty sure Amazon has them as well. So all I do is go ahead and tap this color at the very edge of the nail, and I blend that all the way down. I do recommend going in with several coats of that gel polish to get the full effect of that ombre. So as you guys can see here, I'm just going and doing the same thing as I did before. Now for the last coat, I do just go ahead and use the brush that comes with the gel polish, and I just lay that right on the tip of the nail, and then I just go ahead and lightly blend that in. So here I'm taking the Vanilla gel polish color in Charming Golden. It's a really pretty shimmery orangey bronzy type of color, and I'm going to put this on the middle finger nail and the ring fingernail. So here, as you guys can see, I do slant this. I do apply this like in a slanted type of way, and with the side of my sponge, I just go ahead and lightly pat the glitter, and look how beautifully that blended out. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to the ring fingernail. Going back in with that golden shimmery color, I'm going to apply a little bit to my mixing paper, and I'm going to take a thin brush, as you see here. This brush, I got it on Shein, so I will leave a link down below where you could purchase this brush. It comes in a set of 3, I believe. So you guys, here I'm just going to be making the flames, and this has only been like my second time doing this, and I'm no artist at all. I'm actually horrible at drawing on nails. So if I could do a flame, you can definitely draw a flame. But yeah, as you guys can see here, I'm just going ahead and drawing a flame. Now, this is optional, but I chose to outline the flame with a black gel polish, and I'm using the D&D black gel polish, and I took a smaller brush that also comes in the same set, and I'm putting a dot of that gel polish down on my mixing plate, and I struggled so badly with this. I'm not sure if you could tell in video, but this was so difficult for me. I took so long on this, and I think part of the reason was because of how far away my camera is, and usually when I do this, I hold it really close up to my eye so I could see exactly what I'm doing, but this was like far away from my face, so it was very difficult for me to outline these flames, but it should not be that difficult. But yeah, so as you guys can see here, I'm just going ahead and outlining that flame. And just so you guys know, I did fast forward this part to like the maximum that I could. So I took a long time outlining this flame. Now I'm going to go back to the middle fingernail and the ring fingernail, and I'm going to be applying some butterflies. So I'm just pouring some out here, as you guys can see. So I'm going to be taking my iGel Beauty Gel Base Coats, and I'm just going to be applying a thin layer to the nail. It really just acts as a base to hold the butterflies, and I'm going to be using my wax pencil to pick them up, and you guys just could apply them anywhere randomly. As you guys can see here, I'm layering them on top of one another, and yeah, I just put them like just like that, and I do that to both nails. So it's everyone's favorite parts. It's bling time. So here I'm going to be taking my AB rhinestones, and these are in the size SS10, and I'm going to be using my KDS glue to apply them. I struggled really bad with this glue. I don't know why I used it. I have a brand new bottle of Zulay's bling adhesive, but whatever, I use this, and I've used this glue before, and I think it works wonderfully to hold the gems, but today it was just giving me problems. So what, you guys could watch me struggle and place this bling on the nails. As you guys can see, my glue is really runny, so I did go ahead and take this nail glue dryer. It's the Hurry Up spray, and I spritzed a little bit on those nails. Then I moved on to the pinky. Now it's time to top off everything that we just did, and I'm going to be using the iGel Beauty gel top coat. As I always do, it's my favorite top coat, and I'm going to be applying a good amount of this to all the nails. After curing the nails for a full 2 minutes, this should be your finished results. I hope you guys really liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And check out my other videos I have posted. I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you. Bye.